What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. Now in today's video I'll be showing you how to make 3 quick, simple and easy but also delicious fruit sorbet. So guys, without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Now here I have my frozen fruits that I'll be using, and of course you need a bowl, and I have my frozen strawberry, my frozen banana, I have my lemon juice, and of course I have some simple syrup. And the simple syrup is just a mixture of sugar and water. If you want to, when you're making your simple syrup, depending on the texture that you want, you use 1 part water and 2 parts sugar, or if you want it lighter, you use 1 part water, 1 part sugar. So to my bowl I had my fruits. And guys, you want to make sure you have frozen fruits for this one. So that I'm going to add a few tablespoons of simple syrup. You could add as much or as little as you like, depending on the sweetness of your sorbet. You could make it sweet or, not so sweet. It's up to you. And also to that I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of lemon juice. Now trust me guys, the lemon juice actually brings home the flavor of this sorbet. Now with my immersion blender or hand blender, whichever one you want to call it, I'm going to go in and start to puree my sorbet. Now we want to do this until everything is fully pureed and we have a smooth texture. And of course guys, if you have reached thus far in the video and you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscription button, turn on the post notification bell so you never miss any of my upload. And if you're liking what you are seeing so far, just hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment in the comment section and tell me what you think about this video. And there you have it guys, look at that beautiful color. Our first sorbet is all done. I call this one the strawberry banana fusion. Now I'm gonna serve this up. Now guys, this is delicious just as is, but if you want to, you can just pop it in the freezer for another couple of minutes and allow it to firm up a bit. But trust me guys, this one is like so good. And there you have it, sorbet number 1 done. Now you could pop the remainder in a popsicle mold, or you could actually put these in ice cubes, whatever you feel like. And you could have these in popsicle form as well. Either way, both way is like super delicious guys. And onto our another flavor. Now this one, I call it the cherry berry bliss. Yes guys, this is what I call it, the cherry berry bliss. And here I have my frozen blueberries and my frozen cherries. Now guys, you could buy your frozen berries in the store, but I prefer to buy my own berries and freeze them because guys, it's actually cheaper. So I went and bought me some cherries and I picked them myself. It wasn't easy work picking the cherries, but it was worth it in the end. So yes guys, if you can afford to buy your fresh berries and freeze them yourself, that would be awesome. Now as you can see, I repeated the same steps as with the first one. I add my simple syrup, my lemon juice, and now I'm gonna puree. And guys, this one was one of my fave. Now guys, I'll ask you in the comment section to let me know which one is your favorite or which one you think you would enjoy. Now look at that beautiful color, guys. And guys, it is so healthy and refreshing, and it also has a lot of health benefits. Guys, listen, one of this on a nice hot summery day, you're in heaven. Now we're gonna serve this one up as well. And for my lactose friends who can't enjoy the dairy, this is perfect for you. And as you can see, I follow the steps with the remainder of this one also. Now on to my last and final sorbet. I call this one the Hawaiian Medley. So to my bowl I add my bananas, my pineapple, and of course I did cut these and freeze them myself as well. Some fresh mango. Didn't have any frozen mango, so I used fresh. Yeah, but we don't want all fresh fruit for this. We want to have a majority of it frozen. And here I have some papaya. And of course I'm going to go in with some simple syrup. And my lemon juice. And let me tell you guys, these sorbet were amazing, refreshing and delicious. Like, it's on point. You will want to try one of these, guys, trust me. There you have it, guys. Our Hawaiian Medley sorbet is ready to be served. I actually like the flavor of this one too, guys, but the the cherry berry Bliss was my favorite. there you have it, guys. All my sorbets on one plate. Let me know which one was your favorite. Cherry berry bliss, strawberry banana fusion, or the Hawaiian medley. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. Until then, I'll see you in another one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.